What if Dante from Devil May Cry became a software developer?
Sorry about that. As I was saying, he is cocky, loves to show off, and he loves pizza. Honestly, that already makes him a very relatable developer. As developers, we are very cocky when we talk to a non technical person, and we love to show off the abstractions we have created in our code. And also, we love our pizza. His language of choice will be JavaScript. Chaotic, unpredictable, a little messy sometimes, but it gets the job done, just like Dante. The ID he will use will be like his sword rebellion, rough around the edges, still reliable though. So I think he will use VS Code. He would definitely be a front end engineer. He loves to be flashy, make things look stylish, and create experiences that impress other people. Just like his sword combos in the game. His coding style, a bit messy, chaotic, a complete nightmare for clean code purists. But somehow, it still works. Other developers cannot stand him. They think he's better, and honestly, sometimes he is. But for juniors, he is different. He teaches, he shields, he does not let them get crushed. Whenever a production bug appears, he does not panic. Rather, he welcomes the challenge. You know what else he will do? He will slash the subscribe button. Well, jokes aside, if you have a developer like Dante in your circle, share this with them to let them know. Also, if you want a video like this to be made for another character, let me know in the comments.
Dante out.